Within Channable, we import, transform and export a lot of product data. And these exports lead to conversions, impressions, bounces and all other sorts of performance indicators. And wouldn't it be great to have these data available in Channable to make data-driven decisions with? For example, to automate product segmentation, which can increase your campaign success. If these topics have been on your mind lately, then stay tuned for this new feature video where we introduce our newest addition to the tool, Channable Insights. Last time I talked about how to set up smart shopping campaigns from Channable and how this can contribute to your success. This time we're going to take it a step further by showing you how you can import performance data into Channable and use it in the rules to optimize your campaigns and improve the results. But first, let's dive into some basic concepts. You need data to determine which campaigns and products are successful or that require extra budget. For example, think of data like impressions, bounce rates and commissions per sale, which are recorded while the campaign runs. Insights automatically imports these data and uses it to calculate metrics like cost per sale and return on ad spend, which are made available on a product level in a dashboard or in the rules. It is then up to you how to use these to your advantage. Let's run through some scenarios in which this would reduce your time in Channable while increasing your bottom line. Say you have two strategies, one for high and one for low performing products. Low performing products are characterized by a low ROAS score, while high performance products are characterized by a high ROAS score. So using these metrics, we can divide them into two different groups and apply different budgets on Google. Of course, these are examples and you have the full freedom to see if these fit into your campaign strategy. So let's dive into Channable to show you how you would set this up using Insights. I will skip the setup of Insights for now because we have already added a detailed step-by-step manual to our help center. So what I'm looking at right here is the Insights dashboard where I can see all of the revenue and cost for this one Insights demo campaign that I'm running. If I'm clicking on this campaign, I'm taken to all of the individual products in the campaign and I can see per product the sessions, revenue, impressions, but also the calculated ROAS, which in this case is calculated using Insights data and Google Ads data. Again, if I click on the individual product, I will be taken to the page where I can review its revenue and cost over a 30-period time frame, as well as review some impressions, clicks, CPC and other Insights metrics. Now, let's say that I want to create two campaigns, one to boost performance and one to gather data. In the Boost Performance campaign, I'm gonna create a rule that says include products that have a ROAS score of 2 to 3, where I will say if the ROAS is less than 2 or if the ROAS is greater than 3, take the fields and exclude them from the feed. And this field, ROAS, is actually one of the fields that is available if I use Insights. And the way that I navigate there is that usually you will end up in this list first, the project fields. But then if I navigate to this Insights demo section, I will see all of the Insights fields that are available to me to use in this rule. If I save this rule, I will have a campaign that includes 23 products. And then in the campaign step, I will set a relatively high budget of 100, a custom target ROAS strategy with a target ROAS of 3. For the other campaign, I want to include products that all have a relatively low impression count. So in the rules, I'm creating a rule that says include only the products that have less than 10 impressions. So again, I'm selecting the impressions field from the Insights field. And if any product has impressions that are greater than 10, I want to exclude them from this campaign. And then in the campaign setting, I'm setting a lower budget of 10 with a custom ROAS targeting strategy and a target ROAS of 0.5, meaning that I'm actually willing to lose some money to get these products to be visible. This way, I've set up two campaigns that automatically take all of the products with a certain score that I take from these Insights fields and includes them in these campaigns, automating my product segmentation into these campaigns. For now, we're supporting Channable Insights with both standard and Smart Shopping campaigns. We're looking to expand this coverage into text ads in the near future. With Channable Insights, you have performance data at your fingertips to optimize your campaigns as you desire. And we've spoken to users that have reported significant decrease in hours spent in the tool, time that they can now use to strategize and come up with even better optimization tactics. But what is really important is that at the end of the day, Channable Insights can empower you to create better campaigns which lead to higher performance. And our partners have reported performance gains of up to 40% ROAS using insights to power data-driven campaigns. And whether you're just dipping your toes in the data-driven water or have already thought of elaborate strategies, Channable Insights enables you to combine the power of automation with real-time insights. Adding insights to Channable has been a careful process that took in a lot of feedback from our users, so you can expect more features like this to be implemented in the near future. Also, if you have feedback on our tool or ideas to make it even more powerful, please let us know, we really appreciate it. And make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel if you want to be kept up to date on new features and other announcements. So until next time, bye!